Well, I'm talking to my video camera. Thanks, Owen.
Okay.
Okay, everyone, so this is It's Raining Tacos for trumpet. First thing to know is that your key signature is B flat. So that means any Bs that you have are going to be finger 1. So if you look at measure, where was it? Measure 17 is the first time this happens. You have a B flat, so that's going to be finger 1. Other things are, so you're going to probably recognize the melody. The rhythm is a little bit weird, so if you look at measure 10, you've never really seen that rhythm before, so I'm going to play it once so you can hear it, and then we're going to work through what that sounds like, okay? So here, I'm going to play measure 10, so look for measure 10, and we start in beat 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's what that sounds like, and I want you to practice that a couple times, because all it is 2, 3, 4, and, because it's on the and of 4 and the and of 1. So 3, 4, 1. Ba, ba, boo, ba, ba. Ba, 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 ba. And then you might even know the song, right? So that's what that part sounds like. And then the next tricky part is measure 13. So we have, it says you got an F as your first note, then your second note there's an A, which is 2 notes above it, or an A that's way below it. So I'm going to play both different ways. So this is the way with the big letter, so this is the F and then the low A. So it sounds like this. So you might not know that note yet, which is why it's a little bit trickier. So if that one doesn't work, you can try the one where it goes higher instead. And that might be helpful as well, okay? Other than that, you're probably going to recognize the tune. So I'm going to do it at a quarter equals 110. I'm going to count through all the rest just so you can practice doing that as well. And don't forget to actually say the words when we get to measure 29, okay? Here we go. 1, 2, measure 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 4, 2, 2, 3. Make sure you count it with me. 4, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 6, 2, 3, 4, 7, 2, 3, 4. Shell, meat, lettuce, cheese. Shell, meat, lettuce, cheese. Shell, meat, cheese, 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 cheese. 3, 4, 1, that's 36. 37. 3, 2, 3, 4, 4. 3, 5. 6. 7, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good, and I'm just going to do the ending a couple times. So the ending does what's called a divisie. So you can play the top line or the bottom line. So I'm going to do the bottom line first so you can hear what that one sounds like. So let's start on your B flat. So this is what that would sound like. 1, 2, 3, 4. With a crescendo at the end. And now let's do that one more time. So this is measure 50, and this is the top line now. So this is starting on the D. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool. And that is It's Raining Tacos. So there's some tricky rhythm stuff in there. What I'd really suggest you do, if there's any part that you're not getting, slow down the YouTube video and just play through those parts. Do 2 measures at a time if you need. I would do even like measure 10 and 11 and just go 3, 4, 3, 4, 1. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, 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 ba. Just so you can really start to practice that feel. And do it nice and slow first, and then get faster and faster each time. This one's going to be a lot easier if you can get to the point where you can just play without having to count. But that's going to take practicing this nice and slow, okay? Let me know if you have any questions.